Hello everyone, this is DevByte. In this video, you'll learn how to create a timer in Unity and trigger a lose condition when time runs out and a win condition on picking all the coins. Go to Canvas, right-click UI, and create TextMeshPro text and name this as timer text. Place it at the top center so it's always visible. And then duplicate the timer text again for time counter. Create empty game object and rename it to timer. And now in project window, create a new folder inside scripts folder and name this as gameplay. Now create a now C# script and name this as timer and attach it to our timer game object. Double click to open the script in Visual Studio. First, we need a reference to our UI text. So I'm going to use TextMeshPro. Now we need the actual timer value. So I'll create a float. This will store how many seconds are remaining. We don't need update method because we are using coroutines for timer. Now, quick concept. A coroutine lets us run code over time instead of everything happening instantly in one frame. So instead of freezing the game with a loop, we can say, wait 1 second, then continue. This is perfect for timers. We decrease the time. So every cycle, 1 second is reduced. We will define a method with the name of update time to update UI of the timer. Now, let's format the time nicely. We convert time left float into minutes and seconds. So it looks like a real timer, like 1 minute, 30 seconds instead of just 90 seconds. We're using mathf.floor to int to convert our time into whole numbers. And now we'll convert both minutes and seconds into strings. Now inside our coroutine, we'll check if time is less than or equal to 0. We'll debug a log message for time's up and make our timer to be 0. We want our timer to begin automatically at the start of the game. So we'll call our coroutine in start, and then we'll stop all coroutines. Otherwise, the timer will keep running in the background. To loop the coroutine, we start it again. So this keeps repeating every second. So now drag the timer counter text directly in the inspector and hit play button. You can see our timer is perfectly updating after every second. Create a new TextMeshPro text for our win-lose message. Set position and scale and deactivate his from inspector because we'll handle it through code. We need another text. This will show our win or lose message. Inside of if statement of coroutine, now we'll activate our win-lose message text and pass the message time's up, you lose in our win-lose message. Save script. Wait for Unity to compile script. Now drag the win-lose text to assign reference. And test the game. Wait for our countdown to become 0. As you can see, we have a message for time's up on screen. That is it from today. In the next video, we'll start creating scripts to handle our gameplay and continue our coding for win condition. Follow DevByte.